When the Narendra Modi led Bharatiya Janata Party came to power in 2014, there has been a shift in India's defense policy. Talks were going on inside the military to become self reliant in the defense sector and how the new Modi government will address the issue. The first tenure of the BJP government witnessed a deal inked between India and Russia for the procurement of S-400 Triumph advanced surface to air missile system, which is capable of destroying enemy aircraft and ballistic missiles. The ability to develop indigenous fifth generation fighter aircraft has been a goal of Indian Air Force for a long time. The task to build a homegrown fifth generation fighter aircraft is undertaken by the Aeronautical Development Agency, which comes under the Defense Research and Development Organization. India's fifth generation fighter aircraft is known as Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. The design of AMCA has been finalized by ADA and the full-scale engineering development is at the desired pace. The design of India's fifth generation fighter aircraft will carry a feature called diverter-less supersonic inlet, which was not revealed earlier by ADA in previous defense exhibitions. The advantage of using diverter-less supersonic inlet technology is that it provides more stealth to the aircraft from detection by the enemy, which is an essential requirement for the fifth generation fighter aircraft. As far as the Flush Air Data Sensing System is concerned, ADA's work on this has grown out of its contribution to ISRO's Re-Entry Launch Vehicle Technology Demonstrator Project. Flush Air Data Sensor System uses surface pressure measurement from the nose cap of the vehicle for deriving air data parameters such as angle of attack, angle of side slip, Mach number, etc. of the vehicle. These parameters are used by the flight control and guidance systems and also assist in the overall mission management. However, while the RLV-TD flies a predictable and predetermined path, the flight envelope for the AMCA will be far more complex and a significant amount of work is being put in to achieve Flush Air Data Sensing System hardware to cater to the same. Specifications of AMCA. According to ADA, AMCA will be a single-seat, true multi-role, twin-engine fifth-generation stealth aircraft which will weigh around 25 tons. AMCA will incorporate some advanced technologies such as advanced sensors with data fusion, 360-degree enhanced situational awareness, integrated vehicle stealth management, internal weapon bay, active electronically scanned arrays, AESA radar, and super maneuverability. Why stealth aircraft? The designed shape of AMCA is different from normal aircraft to achieve a high degree of stealth. When normal aircraft enters in enemy boundary, the early warning radar system sends radar beam signals to locate the aircraft, and when the beam reflects the skin of the aircraft, the radar receiver will send the information to the onboard computer system and the surface to air missile system will be used to shoot the aircraft. In the upcoming years, the Indian Air Force is planning to acquire total 415 fighter aircrafts for deployment on the northern and western frontiers of the country. Air Force Chief RKS Bhadoria said on Monday. The list of aircraft planned to be inducted by the Air Force include 36 Rafale, 114 multi-role fighter aircraft, 100 advanced medium combat aircraft, and over 200 variants of the light combat aircraft Tejas.